Does overloading my car affect tire wear? Imagine driving down the road and suddenly feeling your car bounce or sway more than usual. That's often a sign your tires might be taking on more than they can handle. When you overload your car, it means you're putting more weight on the tires than what they're designed to support. This extra weight causes the tires to flex more as they carry the load. Flexing generates heat, and too much heat can weaken the tire's rubber and internal structure. Over time, this heat accelerates the wear on the tread, making the tires wear out faster than normal. When tires are overloaded, they tend to wear unevenly. You might notice the edges or shoulders of the tires wearing down quicker than the center. This uneven wear reduces how well the tires grip the road and shortens their overall lifespan. It also makes the tires more vulnerable to damage like cracks or bulges. These weak spots can lead to blowouts or sudden tire failure, which is especially dangerous when you're driving. To keep your tires in good shape, it's important to maintain proper tire pressure. When you're carrying extra weight, you should check your car's manual or the sticker inside the driver's door to find the right tire pressure for that load. Underinflated tires wear out faster on the edges, while overinflated tires wear out in the middle. Both situations can be dangerous and reduce your tire's lifespan. Always check your vehicle's load limits, which are listed in the owner's manual or on a label inside the door frame. Staying within these limits helps prevent overloading and keeps your tires safe. Regularly inspecting your tires for signs of uneven wear, cracks, or bulges is a good habit. If you see uneven wear patterns, it could mean your tires are overloaded or there's another issue like misalignment. Rotating your tires regularly is also helpful. It spreads out the wear evenly, especially if your car is front-wheel or rear-wheel drive. Remember, overloading your car puts extra stress on your tires, making them wear faster and increasing safety risks. As a teen driver, knowing your car's weight limits, keeping your tires properly inflated, and inspecting them often are simple steps that help you stay safe on the road.